Hello and welcome to the Eve Market Report. I'm your host, Gregor Kaplan. We will be bringing you the top 5 volumes traded twice a day. Uh, so let's jump right into it. Right now, Tritanium in Jita is at 461 ISK for selling. They are buying at 443 ISK. The price history on it uh, looks like it's stayed relatively flat as Tritanium has. We did see the peak in August, however, volume is roughly the same, maybe climbing a little bit. Looking at how the Donchan is looking, we probably won't see much action on it this morning. Next, we'll be heading over to Pirate. It is selling for 359 and buying for 321. The price history on it, it's still in the midst of a slump since right around February at its high. Day traders might see a bit of action as the volume increases. It is on a downtick for the midweek, but it looks like going into the weekend they might see an increase on it. Recent volatility, though, on Donchan is looking it's looking more down than up. So if you're a bull, it might be a time to get into it. As far as bears go, Pyrite is just about at its lowest it might seem. Does have the ability to go lower though. Next on to Mexelon. Mexelon is selling in Jita for 60.75. It's buying for 57.49. It's at one of its lower points right now. However, the volume does look to remain high. In fact, day traders might see the spike to continue. Looking a little more in depth from October, it might be just about the time for MEX to see some action. It might be one that'll be picking up here towards the end of the month going into December, but we'll see about that. Next we have Isogen. Isogen is selling for 16.26. It's buying for 15.89. Isogen has been in a downward trend ever since last year. Honestly, it only looks to continue. I can't think of a lot of reasons to be buying Isogen right now, unless you're into major manufacturing. We do see an uptick in volume. In fact, a massive uptick in volume here, relatively speaking, as far as Isogen is concerned. So day trading might see some action, and heading into the holidays, we might get a bit of a bump on Isogen. Or I see the Donchan shooting up a little bit just from today. So that could theoretically continue into December. However, barring a major military action, I doubt it. Last we'll look at Veldspar. Good old trusty Veldspar. If I can actually spell correctly. There we go. Right now, Veldspar is selling for 13. It is buying for 12.24. That's not a great spread on the price. And as always, Veldspar being what it is, Stations just one jump away are offering competition to Jita. However, price history, we do see something interesting here. We see the lowest price since last year at Veldspar. However, we do see the Doinchan all over the place. Um, volume wise, slight increase in volume overall, and we're seeing a couple little spikes. Looking at the micro trends here for Veldspar, right now we're in a bit of a valley. However, that's just because it's still early morning. We could see Veldspar uh, shoot up here a little bit later towards the end of the week, and possibly get a boost from the holiday weekend. So there you go, your top 5 in volumes traded for today, uh, 11/06/2018. It's going to be Tuesday, November 6, 2018 at 0607 Eve time. I'm Gregor Kaplan, and I'll be back in a bit with your Cap Booster market update.